Hey everyone, slightly different video today. No car to review, but I want to show you this score of all these 1 to 18 scale Maestos and even some model kits that I got. And I'm going to be selling all of them every Friday for the next few weeks on Whatnot. So what's neat is these Maestos, they're not the Costco Maestos. These are all kind of new old stock. Everything's new in the box. There are a few duplicates. Kind of get an idea of what's here. It's really neat to have found these. A lot of these have been out of circulation for over 20 years now. I remember having these exact ones from KB Toys in the late 90s and early 00s when I was a younger man. Really neat. All good condition. Boxes showing just really minor shelf wear. And I'm starting these at $10 each, which is less than the $18 Costco stuff that you can get once a year. I mean, some of them even came in these original Maestos shipping boxes. I mean, really nice, fresh stuff that you don't find anymore. The other thing I got are some really neat old model kits. This is a 1/16th scale, and everything else is 1/25th and 1/24 scale. Some of these are sealed externally. They're all sealed internally. Really neat. Some of these date back to the 60s. I'm going to start them at $10 as well. So remember, every Friday about 7 p.m. Eastern going forward, I'm going to have a show on Whatnot. Let me show you the condition of these. It's really neat. So a few of these are by Ed Big Daddy Roth and George Barris. Let me show you the condition. Really cool. You know, box art is still pretty good shape. If I can open the box. Hold on. So here you go. This is an example of what you'd get. Relatively crisp instructions still. Sealed plastic bags. Everything's there. Chrome's in good shape. It's all there from 1962. Pretty neat. So yeah, all these they're internally sealed. Again, some are externally sealed. I consider that a pretty reasonable box for light shelfware. Again, it's dated. This one's dated in 1962. This one's dated 1964. Really neat. So again, starting this Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern on Whatnot. I'll throw a link in this video subscription of where to find me on Whatnot. But these are all going to be for sale every Friday the next 3 or 4 weeks. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.